things you should never drink after a workout. You do lose a lot of water while working out due to sweating. To make up for the loss, hydrating your body is important. Drinking a glass or two of water right after your workout is healthy. But many times, instead of water, we reach for other beverages that are not healthy at all. 1. Sports drinks. Sports drinks are marketed as the perfect post-workout drink, and it's common to see people drinking these beverages at the end of a workout. But sports drinks are unhealthy. They are loaded with sugar and calories, and contain little to no nutrition. There might be some added vitamins and electrolytes in some brands, but the high sugar content is the biggest reason to avoid these drinks completely. 2. Alcohol. If you exercise in the evening, and then head to the bar for a glass of wine, you are making a big mistake. Alcohol is dehydrating in nature, and after sweating in the gym, you need to hydrate your body, rather than going for a dehydrating drink. Also, the diuretic effect of alcohol in the body can cause a nasty hangover. Alcoholic drinks also contain empty calories, and do not provide any nutrients. Drinking these empty calories will only postpone the fat-burning process, and contribute to increased fat storage. 3. Carbonated beverages. Drinking soda only means you are giving your body nothing but a concentrated amount of simple sugars. The sugary beverage will work as a quick-acting energy boost, but soon it's going to cause you to crash. Moreover, it has no nutritional benefits. If you think switching to diet soda from regular soda is okay, you need to think again. The artificial sweeteners in diet sodas can wreak havoc on your exercise benefits. 4. Packaged fruit juice. Opening a fruit juice bottle might make you feel like you are making a healthy choice. But packaged fruit juice is just not the best choice to drink after your workout. Most packaged drinks are loaded with high fructose corn syrup, which can lead to obesity and increase your risk of metabolic syndrome diseases. 5. Coffee. After a workout, many of us look forward to drinking a cup of coffee. But as your heart is pumping already from your workout, it's not good to drink coffee or anything that has caffeine in it. Drinking coffee after exercising can lead to side effects like the jitters, heart palpitations, and even sleep disorders. 6. Best post-workout hydrating drinks. Water is the best option for proper post-workout hydration, which is important for proper recovery and maintaining endurance. When it comes to water, it should be room temperature, not cold. Cold water can have a negative impact on your warm intestines, and can interfere with enzymes, causing digestive issues.